So welcome back to this short tutorial on how you can create report comments for your class using the new Bing AI chat functionality, which is now in Microsoft Edge. So the first thing you have to do is go to the top right-hand corner and open up the little chat box. And what we want is we want to go to Compose, and actually before we do that, we want to go to More Precise. Okay. So that means that responses are factual and concise, prioritizing accuracy and relevancy for you and your student. Then we go to Compose, and we use the prompt role explicit parameters model, the PREP model, to develop our prompt. Okay, so that's the one I have created. So our role is I'm a Year 11 science teacher teaching mechanics in an all-boys school. And to be more explicit, I want you to create 10 report comments for a Year 11 class, learning about mechanics, and the third person for student XXX. Okay, and the parameters are the students are achieving at this standard. So our tone, as we are teachers, is professional. We have the paragraph format, and then we have our short or medium. Okay, I'm going to go for short because these are just kind of first term reports. And then we're going to generate our drafts. Okay, so the artificial intelligence using ChatGPT-4 is thinking about it, and then it will create our 10 different and unique and creative report comments, as you can see it is doing right now. So that is the way that you can use the new Bing AI add-in on the Microsoft Edge browser to help you with your report writing.